Hi everyone, thanks for checking out my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to help you advance your communication skills in English by learning natural sounding expressions or idioms we use to talk about being busy. But before that, let's define what idioms or idiomatic expressions are. Idioms are fixed expressions in English, which are typically used in figurative sense, meaning you can't understand the full meaning of an idiom from individual words. Let's take this idiom as an example. When pigs fly. Well, obviously, pigs don't fly, right? However, we can use this idiom to express that something is unlikely to happen. It's another way of saying, no way. Learning idioms can be challenging. I know, I've been there. But you see, idioms give flavor, color to any language out there. And besides, if you learn idioms, you'll be able to understand native speakers better because they use it all the time. So I challenge you, after this video, after you learned all the idioms that we're going to cover today, use them. Tell me how busy you are.
Okay, let's get started. Number 1. I'm swamped. If you have too much to do, it can feel like being half submerged by swampy water. Example: there's no way I can go out tonight. I'm absolutely swamped right now. Next is, I'm slammed. This means you're extremely busy and having many responsibilities, so much that you can't get it all done. Example: I'd love to go to the movies with you, but I can't. I'm slammed at work. The third one is, I have a lot on my plate. This idiom means you have a lot of things to handle or deal with. Example: I have 3 kids and a full-time job. I have a lot on my plate. Moving on. I'm tied up. This expression means that we cannot do something because we are busy doing something else. We are tied up, so we are not free to go or do other things. Example: Mr. Brown is tied up in a meeting right now. He can't take any calls. Here's the next one. My hands are full. It means that you are so busy that you can't simply handle anything else. Example: Flower shop employees often have their hands full on Valentine's and Mother's Day. Next up is, I'm up to my ears in work. This is a fun idiom that shows that we have so much work. It is similar to other idioms like, I'm buried in work, or I'm drowning in work. Example: There's no way I can take a vacation right now. I'm up to my ears in work at the moment. Moving on to, I have a lot of irons in the fire. This means you have many different tasks that you are responsible for. Example: John is working on 3 projects today. He has a lot of irons in the fire. Finally, I'm snowed under. If you're snowed under, you're overwhelmed by the amount of work you have. Like you have problems dealing with all the work you gotta do. Example: I'm snowed under for the next 2 weeks. My boss is away. I'm working late every night. Now here's a bonus for you. I'm gonna tell you ways to say that a place is busy. Number 1. It's crowded. This is the simplest way to say that a place is busy and there are a lot of people. Number 2. It's packed. We use this expression to say that a place is very crowded and busy. This expression could be used in a positive or negative way. For instance, the shop was packed. I could hardly move. The party was packed. I had so much fun. Number 3. It's a madhouse. The word mad means crazy, and madhouse is a slang for a hospital where mentally ill patients are treated. That's why if we say a madhouse, we mean that it's crazy busy in a negative way. Example, the store was a madhouse. Number 4. It's lively. If a place is lively, it is a good thing to say because it means a place has a lot of people and a lot of energy. Number 5. It's bustling. This is a little bit similar to the first one, which means there are a lot of people and many activities are happening in a place. Now, let's talk about ways to tell someone you have a busy day or schedule. Number 1. It's hectic. We use this expression to say that we are busy and our day is full of activities. Example, I have a very hectic day. Number 2. It's packed. Similar to the first one, we use this to say that your schedule is full of activities. Example, I'm sorry, I can't come. My schedule is packed. Number 3. It's a tight schedule. This expression also means that you have a very busy schedule. Example, I have a tight schedule this week. Thank you for watching.